Noyalam kaliang persya Dr. Mukul Sangma, ha ka khandai tarik unai lor ahja arpusau, ulat herting ya ka sorkar MDA, kabala Pyndonkam Bakla ya ka bor Pulit da ka baai security ya ki chairman bat ki advisor, ki ba shuthong bat ki bom dan Jingma ha ka leit kawan, bat kam ka ba ki sya thong. Dr. Mukul uloong ba unu officer ubale iya kani uhab ban ai Jingkheiñ, uloong ru ba kani ke jingle jong ka sorkar kalapin sirwa iya ka pisa upaj ba.
Let me tell you one thing, that let us not talk about the appointment of the ex-MP, Srimati Agatha Kaei in isolation. It is just one part to reflect the nepotism, favoritism with which they have been running this government with complete sense of impunity. Okay. Now, it doesn't end there. It doesn't end there. It goes beyond. It doesn't end in the notified person facilities which are eligible for those incumbent political appointees. No. It goes beyond that. You go and see for yourself of various other privileges and facilities from different line departments which are being provided to them. One is the police department. Okay? One is the police department. I will be asking, demanding for a state security commission meeting to take cognizance of this unnecessary wastage of money from public exchequer by misusing the police authorities. You see how many of these political appointees are provided with all kinds of so-called, what do you call them? The security cover? The security cover? To all those political appointees. You look at what is the category of protectee. We have the protectees for the police department to provide all the facilities. Okay? Whose life is under threat? Tell me. Whose life is under threat? Tell me which of these political appointees have taken, the insurgency and militancy and other issues head on to bring peace, that their life is so threatened? If somebody's life is threatened, based on which the level of protection to be given by the police for that indicated protectee has to be worked out. Now you will ring up to the SP and tell, no, give this security to this particular gentleman. This is how you want to spend money from the scarce public exchequer? No. We will have proper due diligence and accounting of everything. And if unnecessarily protection has been given by giving police vehicle, by giving police personnel to just run around with them to show off, and create that public nuisance, we will demand for refund of every spending that has been done by the officer who have provided them. The officer concerned will have to refund all this money. We will see to that. I am assuring the people of the state. Every single paisa that they have spent just to please their political bosses, going rather by deviation from the normal course of ethical responsibility vested upon them as per the law. So this is what is going to happen. So don't look at in isolation.